So people, right now, things look away for RT boss, my people. It did look away good while now, but right now, to when me I hear my people, I wanna soon hear, things I get worse. You see me? RT, him did come out of the air and him say some things, you know what I mean, toward Momo. And right now, Momo come out with people, Momo and Cheese, they on alive. And people, Momo, I tell the people them, round RT, say, yo, uno, take away uno self. This people, I make uno hear what Momo say. You know what I mean? Because we all see RT on live most of the time. And enough people not take way more the most of the time to serious mother say because he's a man where cuss and then him and the person where him a cuss you see the two of them back again. But him and Momo used to link in a way still in people. And the way me see Momo a go on you know, it look like say you see me RT boss both for go down. You see me? And people, me I tell you say, you see, if a fool Momo and RT, a fool the people them, me nah lie them got me. You see me I say? Because me I look on this as something what I go on for real. If I fool them or fool the people them got me. Seeing also my people done expose enough of the people them on TikTok. You know what I mean? Feel like say what she has said still, it a go for the lion man and chin chin X man or chin chin man because we only hear them a chat say them break up but it no look like that one. You know what I mean? So we're gonna hear what Dan have to say, we're gonna hear what Momo have to say and Cargo and Pretty Dan. Boy my people don't know what go on with them. We're not gonna hear what I go on with them because RT want the wife, you know. You see me? So when I go hear the two of them on live and what them a chat about. You see me? Boy, my people. You look away upon RT, but we're gonna kick it off, you know, my people, with more. You see me? I say I'm wanting to tell more the thinking of the comment.
Granny them that I reported you from the first day once I heard that voice note. And I didn't respond to you on the internet. And I didn't speak about it. I played it way after I already heard that they accepted it. And that's when I went on Cheese Live and played it for the first time. So, what? Anyway, so, and if the federal law knows that's credible evidence of hearing that boy's mouth on that recording, how am I setting you up? Now it's a setup. At first it was a fake. Then it became a joke. Then it's my son. Now I set you up. See, the thing what you don't know is the federal flag I have on my name, they watch me all the time over here. I say that out loud all the time. That's why when my friends are on the live and they start saying certain things, I tell them to chill. I tell them, listen, hey. They watch my page. I ball it out all the time because I know I'm monitored and recorded because I come from a high profile criminal family and I say it all the time. If that's the case, I would be out here doing all type of shit. I say it all the time. So now, make it make sense. These people been watching me. So I would think they kind of have an idea of my character. So when I ball out, I did this, that, and this, and I don't do this, that, and that, wouldn't you think they know if I'm a felon or not? Wouldn't you think they know my business? Wouldn't you know that they've been watching me all this time? RT, what you're doing is trying to intimidate a witness. I would suggest you stop because I'm not going to stop talking. So every time you do all of these things, I'm going to bring you fuck down into that little boy. The boys get justice. Me not give a fuck who you send over here for type on the fake page. The only person me feel sorry for, and right now, Milo, you're there on the limited blood clot line. Come here, I tell you, them I watch all away. Jeez, me not call you the other day and tell you to make sure you not argue with certain argument for your life.
Yes.
Okay.
True. So I'm cut it out.
The other day when your bumper
Just
was
beat the
going
foot.
IT and I could have came over here and act like a crazy lady, I got immediate notification. Because people them know walk up them case to make sure I behave myself. I mean all lie, so me I hot up my chest, so you could have bring down me picking in my front. You know, say everything you do now move me. I'm waiting on justice. I'm waiting. The biggest justice I can get is so that guy can come and tell his story openly and look in your skin face and tell you what you've done to him. That's what I want. That's what I want. God take my life. Me not ramp with you. Me not ramp with your RT. Me not take bullying. You know that already. But you, Myla, me I warn you to stop make the man they draw you out. Go and find someone for the blood clot live. Go and leave now while it's safe. Because just a while ago, me sent over the live there. I did. Me sent over the live there to them. That was the post where Jojo put up. Every time you call me name and you do this, all charges and this and that, and you tell like you want to intimidate me, but let's send it over to them. Mala, you're the one I spoke to. I never trust RT. I don't trust nobody, and you know that. You're not to say on the still can't come out and talk nothing about me. Women I talk about myself. Right now you have Milo, you have him have your whole paper in your hand. I'm gonna bring your business on internet because your mother already blood clot do that already. I'm a war with your mother over your Milo about the immigration status and them something there. That's what he does. Promise people he can do this, this, and that. RT, you have lawyer friend, right? Because you always say you have connections and you haven't connected. Tell them to dig up the case that's pending against you right now. But me, I'll go to jail for scamming. Are you fucking tardy? One thing this year, girl, you are doing now. Me not go to jail for show up on no blood clot, but me drive Uber every day. Because my if I feed them, will never have the opportunity for one of them bomber clot mother. Death! I protect me. If I can't pick up a phone and talk to my pity them or see them physically or hug them. Fuck do you? You think you important for me come tell lie? But Pratt 2030. RT, but that's love how you're brawling with the lying. That's how me know. Y'all here bring a talking about always spreading rumors. Hey, me make sure all our no go down. But that's
So, Blinger over one part by fear herself, you know. She and her tea not really in or nothing. So, it's like she smell what did I go on. You see me? Although she really take care of herself still, she and him kick off. But me still think the two of them are linked same way. You know what I mean? Because enough of the things them will go on social media, me not really to believe in them. You see me? And this what go on, you know, with Momo and RT. Me I say, you see, if I fool them, I fool the people them got me. You see me I say, big man thing. Because the way our Momo I go hard, me not have no choice but to believe what she a say. You see me? And on a level, if RT get himself in a them thing, yeah, Chan was start. You see me? And he is a man with up on the internet right through and them something there. And I get in a them a type of thing, yeah. Yeah, no, it's not a good look, none at all, my people. You see it? So, we are going to hear some more with more of say, my people. I'm more to tell more thinking in the comment.
so wait for him get clapped first. Once him get clapped, playtime done with all I honor. But this like RT, you're gonna be the biggest lesson in Instagram history. I thought Jermaine would have taught y'all motherfucker don't play with y'all. I thought OBC Radio that just got 9 years in prison would have showed you I don't play with child pedal. I guess your reading didn't tell you that about my spirit. Oh, I know I wished up it dig you up today. Or whenever you make that recording there. RT screaming, panicking. You have answer for every blood clotting, but why you would go and touch the liquor? I don't know the details because he never gave the direct details. But in there, so I don't know what you made him do or what he didn't do. But I'm sure in the text message that was definite confirmation when he said if you were malicious and it was done to you, why would you use it against someone? I never tell no lie. But just so I got Milo
Remember,
trigger
did I
me
say
still.
you can't fight evil with evil too?
Oh,
Remember?
exactly. Just a while ago, a Milo trigger me. Come here, say,
Hmm.
brother, why you reading off things in the background for RT and you know it's not true? Post the paper with my name on it. And that's enough for do, not bad, right? Wanna post everything. Post up the information with my name on it, about 13 charges. Or where you do, make a phone call and somebody tell you that? Say, I have 13 charges. Eh? I see, I gotta make you sweat. You got ball every time you call my name. I gotta remind you to stop calling my name. Dirty man, RT. I said he was digging graves last month. Look at you now. Immigration. Everything where you call upon other people is gonna run up in your household. That's the fucking part. Milo, we are all being watched. So you definitely been being watched this whole time. Do not risk your freedom for somebody that wouldn't risk their freedom for you. Because the things that he's doing right now, if a person is going through certain allegations right now, but he wants to try so hard to make it seem like it's fake, he should address the fuck back. RT, no lawyer is advising you. I can guarantee that. No lawyer in their right pocket, their cotton picket mind is advising you right now. I am sure of that. Wait, beneath the text for that.
I never see how this someone I deny everything where people let me come as the video come out there with him.
No, yeah, I coming like him. It must think so here.
Yeah,
If Diddy
him
I
say
go down, who is you?
yeah,
If
like
Diddy I go down,
you
who
know
is you?
see
But you know
this
what it
is
is though? You know what
deny
triggers me though? It's the
everything.
audacity that he has, the barefacedness that he
Them
keeps coming out.
But
flagged me
I
a
see
while
him
ago.
beer I
Them
see him
just
beer
flagged me over TikTok a while ago. Come
When
have
cheese
me
come
a
down,
play, you know. Them flag
cheese
me,
then come.
but me a play it back. You can't code up your argument then.
Sir, it's hard for me. That's why I'm gonna come over there. Cause I know me did I go
Alright, they better try to talk
yeah.
over it.
Like them things say them
sorry.
Then I get me to do
special.
what way I go say.
I'm outside.
The people them
But
just watch you and put
that's what it is.
pile up evidence, then they
You hear
come
what
for
him say?
you.
Then me hear him I say. Cheese, you want me play what him say?
Play
Yeah,
what him say.
I play it.
Let me play it.
Yeah, no star, boy people. It don't look good for RT boss, none at all. You see me? Look away. You see it and Momo go hard in the people. You see me? Cause Momo send off a lot of things. You see me? Boy, people. You know what I mean? You have to know say if him do them thing there, there's consequences. You see me? So I him have to go face at the end of the day. You see me? And the people them were round him still, them have to just know say, yeah, them and him good, but them can't get themselves in it. You see it because it a go look away upon them too. So them have to know what them a do.
Tap up the screen, guys. Them are reporting me. Oh, come on, no. What the whole part report it for someone forget black in a man.
Monique, fix
Hear
your
them.
words.
Oh yeah.
Don't use certain
I
words.
look at that. Email.
Thanks for the
Just get
honor.
the
Thank you so
email.
much.
I
Them I
just
like
sent
them
off that
blessings
thing
serious.
what Juju put up. Just got the email. We will be looking at this shortly. I don't have to lie to you. I swear to my kids. I'm not playing with you, RT. And I warn
Play
you.
it.
I
Play
warn
it
you
when
over
say.
and over again. Yeah.
Play it when say.
You're
When
in.
say. Let me
Oh,
hear.
Lord, I'm going to tell you
Tap up
again.
the screen and share the live, guys. Tap up the
Let me
screen. Thank
turn you
you for the
off
tab.
of
Share
this.
the live.
I have to turn you off of this. RT, go and intimidate a witness. I love it here. Don't think promise to me is dead.
You like off the camera, turn it round and flick it over, make we see it. I tell you, woman, not play with you.
Just spin. Oh God.
You do
But oh,
too much.
you know,
You never stop till you fuck with the wrong woman. You did do too much.
allegation
You fuck with the right one.
people.
The right one you fuck with.
But when
And you
allegation
long time you do all of them
came,
something, you know. I tell you the truth.
you see how them stay cheese, remember them you want to bring you down, you know,
Ma,
with the hard
ma,
charge. So all you do
I
before you
tell
do
you
that.
this.
You're going to
I'm
back me
tell
up
you this.
over a
The
recording.
worst thing about it, I done them nothing. All they wanted to do is get rid of me. They could, the two of them have my blood clot WhatsApp number. Them could have called and said, listen, cheese, we don't
You
want
know
you back
why you
over
come
there.
over there.
You get me? Even that then, let me understand them. Wait, because of what? Clout. You're going to disrespect cheese. Cheese is about for a while. Like, you
Don't
are
miss the
hyper for me. That's why
people
you're doing
argue
this.
with cheese that she don't take it personal, long as you don't go down certain road. Still
No
go
man,
back
you
and
have
talk to the
to go
fuckhead.
personal with him. Can be too outside. I walk around down cloud too much. You cloud the year. Yeah. I only would say when the case
Here it
starts.
go. Hold on, here it go, cheese. Ready?
And you know that I'm a principal person.
Oh,
So like him a ball, you know.
Play it.
hold on.
Play it.
Him
Play,
saying
play
that
the live over
I
there.
make no money.
You always see me on only for woman. And you know that I'm a principal person. Watch this now.
I even
And them
Yeah.
read it. And me dry it out. What did I say to them? Let it out. Let go the pain. Let's talk about it. You can't hold on on that. Free it out of your mind. That'll hold you back. Look how much time we help people with them situation there.
see, say it I get serious.
And I
You
want the
know,
royal family to know this. I'm going to hear this from a spiritual perspective. This is a setup and a plan, and they will come to justice, and the royal family will celebrate, and we will execute the full penalty of the law right out to the end, because we are victorious people, and nobody now will just try to bring we down like that and leave we hanging. We are going to use this as a prime and a main example. You see how me loud them make them talk, and me make them talk, and we talk, and I say, oh, me not retaliate. I always have lawyer. I do not move without lawyer in America. And this is what I want you to know. When my lady come with her excitement and a talk, it never go on with nothing. It start damage me now.
Now.
me talk it
Now
over.
we feel the damaging.
Oh,
Now is the time for definition
Let me
of
see that
character, because we
now.
notify the court
Get him where we want him.
in a workshop. People are just going to run up with them mouth and you just run so.
Yeah.
It has to be a constant, numerous things that people are doing and do and not stopping.
Never gonna stop down the line yourself.
But the part what I like about it is that me have to go take up my own money.
Yeah.
What do me have to do?
Don't worry, I got
To fix things. We crosses people, I'm a blood clot paper back.
Yeah, you are gonna pay me.
When you done every expense. Because them have to pay for. Because don't put the penny as soon.
Yeah.
And the grey here.
You're not a gray here, Papa Chilla.
I mean, I use no badness. I use no Jamaican badness. I'm using the spiritual realms.
So the live yeah, with the RT, me did put it up. You see me I say so you can go back if you don't want see it. You see me? Me did put it up and hear what him a say. You see me? So all of them things the way him a say about Momo. Momo, you know I say no go so. You see me? So it look like a make him make up them thing there. That's how it look. And the two person is like them a push for them point. Cause RT now back down and Momo now back down. You see me? So you don't know who I tell that thing. You know what I mean? You know, like you don't know who to believe still, but me still I go and pray. I mean I say this not really look like a fool them a fool the people them. Although them people yeah, them come, you know what I mean, good when them a come. You see me I say, I remember we are go over down you know people and hear what down I say about them people yeah on TikTok where fool up the people them. You see me? So we are gonna listen some more if you say because the part of me I go think that you know Momo go hard. You see me? So make we get tonight people.
No boy, I girl could have control her. Fuck do it,
So, so Milo are the maid over there now.
what the fuck wrong with her? Milo, you don't make them creep you up when them creep him up. Cause you back there talk about yeah, global what? You sound like a fuckhead. Oh no, pussy clad pussy. Make us see my charges that I don't know about. Make us see why I have gun license. I could have blood clot gun license. I could have how much rifle in my bomber clot yard. Number say George, I'm live Milwaukee and buy things. Straight. Scope and Glock. I could have them things that have felony. You fuckhead. What the way I don't know this paperwork you're reading or your spiritual up to them. They're confused because you took a boy, so they're making you read wrong things. Milo, you better save yourself here. Call a friend and go about your business. You're the one him wife weeks ago. One. But if I even have charges, I walk and go everywhere I want to fuck out. They wouldn't stop me from going nowhere. I am literally on a plane to Jamaica once a month. I've been to Dubai. I've been to Mexico. I go to Canada. Where the fuck else have I been? Where else have I been? Not even remember some of the other Bahrain. Place where we not even know about. When we're there with the military boy, we're going everywhere. Milo, go save yourself because I still got a little love in my heart for you. And I know he's using you. I get it. I know exactly what the fuck he's doing. Save yourself now. Over there, I read about global something. I just sent that to them. I emailed it to them. And I just got a response back. We will be reviewing it shortly. I'm not playing with y'all. I'm not telling a lie. I'm straight to pity them. Them on my belly back time. I'm not telling a lie with Uno. Now he's going to get worse than Jermaine. Jermaine did not hype up himself for you too, you know. But like RT, after a while, him just start black way and him don't call none of we name. I will still live for years, him get 9 years, 4 years for later. Look how God good, long run, short catch. RT, what you're doing is intimidating a witness and you're trying to draw a crowd, but hold your head high. One thing, if somebody them calling Chalia, I am not backing them. I'm going to wait until their court case is finished and then I go from there. Because I would never want to back somebody through trauma that they've done to somebody else. Because the only thing guarantee, I will shadow leave you in the dark. But over there scream out your throat. Milo, stop ramp with me though, me I tell you. They must say, are you me used to talk to? Are you me have love for? I'm feel sorry for you. Enough time I want to tell you say you're a puppet under him regime, Milo. And you can't do better because you feel like some up your savior. Because you tell me say your mother up your mother up you. And I RT take it off and them something there. Only for start act like you have blood clot sense. Because when him lock up, you're going to be back at the place where you're fighting to go back to. I'm a love you. You notice all this time in a diss you. Stop making him use you as a puppet, dog. Stop making him use you as a puppet, Milo. I just the truth. Stop making him use you, bro. Because when you ball out them something, they know you're a part of it too. Now you're a part of the situation. So it's up to me right now. Monique Palmer. You see Monique Palmer over there till I pan. Do you want to press charges on this person? Right now, anybody that is going along with RT Madness, I don't feel sorry. I don't feel sorry for them. That's why I told his wife, to his children, I said, listen, save yourself.
People, more go hard still, you know. You see me I say, more go hard. And as I say, it no look good for your RT. You see me, I say, and him I go having people them where I go, you know what I mean, defend him and them something there. You see it. But if a real thing them a go on with, it a go reach where them a go see what really a go on. And me a go see if them a go still defend him. You see me? Because you would have said no reach nowhere yet, but you know what I mean, more I go hard, so it a go reach. Wait for reach. You understand what I say? So me I go see if them a go defend him if them see it reach which part if reach. You know what I mean? So want to tell me what I think. We are gonna watch some more and then we'll go over to Dan.
Save yourself, have a plan. I think you could have moved on how much money. You're not even like that. You got money from COVID scamming. I'm not go into debt with you. Right? So every money you move, nothing goes seen and unseen. Every trip you take, every money will go to yourself. Every money will go to your cash app. Every money will go through your bank account. And your wife phone, everything. This is the motherfucking government. Nobody's bigger than the law, you dumbasses. Nobody bigger than the law. Nobody. So when the worm them open up, them start to them research. That's why I'm telling wife, save yourself and have a plan for you and your pitney them. And me I say that as a mother. Me I say that as a woman. Milo, you're there for years and you're undocumented. Don't go back to the place that you don't want to go back to. If you're a man that don't give a fuck. Because if a man is lying wrong and strong, and first of all, you're a fucking mother, Milo. I mean, know you have a good heart. You're not supposed to back not child failure. I notice that enough time RT wrong and you can't even talk up. You're afraid to talk. Because you're under him regime. Are your brain rushed to the point where you feel like this man saved you from certain things? God are God. No man no bigger than God. But I remember I said one time I did I tell you about my cancer and my diabetes. And that's when I have to pay attention. Say, RT did come on the live and tell me about my cancer and my diabetes and a whole bunch of shit. He did. He did. But I was confiding in you as well, Milo. Remember, sometimes we have friends and we will sit down and talk to people and just have a regular, like when I say cheese, you know, I got a doctor, and them say Ray, this and that. I know cheese can pick up our phone and just talk to our friend. None of bring down thing. I say, yo, you know, some Momo did tell me, say, Ray, and she say, oh God. And I think that's where you use Milo them from, your people them. And then you go up on the person live. You listen, sometimes all you are listening on a fake page. And then you come up and you read them. But what you do something, man, from then me say, yeah, man, me not pre you. Then they say, when you do the Nicki Minaj hosting, me say, no, man, you're desperado. And she will just have a conversation. I've never spoke to you. I never cared to spoke to you privately. I've never trusted you. But I want you to produce, I keep telling you, produce the defamation. First it was I have 13 charges, then defamation of character, this with you and all this, and now it's going to say, produce the defamation of character paperwork you have got for me. Have your attorneys call me. It's fine. Email me. Everything. You can look me up. They'll have my address. My business license have all of my addresses on there. I'm public when you Google me. I ball up my name, my last name, my middle name, my fucking birth date all the time. Please post these things like you post everything else and show these people these charges. See, the thing is, you're saying that you're damaging yourself because now you look crazy. No one believe what you're saying. Now it's giving panicking, so you have to try to target me. It's hilarious. But what I'm letting you know, what you're doing is intimidation of a witness. Call your lawyer and ask him that because I don't know what lawyer advising you, but it doesn't make sense. I'm done, cheese.
Chat to no liar, Momo. He no
Which
chat to
liar?
no liar. Right now, him
Which
over there, him Devin know
liar?
what to do. Him a
What
kiss
liar?
and turn. Cause if him get a
A
legal,
lawyer would have
listen,
told him to get off of the
exactly.
internet and not have a
First of all, you have
conversation.
to leave the internet because that are going to play with the emotions and people are going to see it in truth if you have a liar. First
Okay.
of all, if you am to him, you know what for am to him? When you plot against people and lie, the truth gonna come out about you. That's one thing I know in a real life, yeah. So see they know RT boss, angle it. You ask sheet Kazoo. This been said all along, right?
Alright, so people, tell me what you think in the comment section. You see me? Cheese have some things to say, you know what I mean? Momo have a lot to say. So make we see where this are gonna reach, you know what I mean? So make me know what you think. We are go over down, you know, my people are here down and expose the TikTok of them. We are fool the people them. You see me? Forget things. You see it, and me feel like say mostly this is just my opinion. Say she a talk about Shana Chin man, you see me, and the Lion man. Because from what they are them kinda I do them type of something there. You see it. And she talk about some other people too, you know. You see me? It's like she, you know, say nothing about like call him name or nothing like that. But at one part, me know say she talk about real dog also. You see me? So we are go watch. I wanna tell me what I think. You know what I mean? And more wanna fi tell me what she say about real dog. You see me? Cause more know if uno a pre what me a pre. You see me? If uno a go know say a real dog she attack when she say what she say. Tell me in the comment section. So make we hear what she a say you know.
People them ask, you know, so with Jamaicans there. Say me, you think me I make nobody come prank me again? When this time it's real. That I you know. Me come guide people them work. Man say you want help. Alright, you say you want help. You want help. But you're getting money. You're taking money by car. I help you want, you know. So if you want help and you take your money by car, you know, should I use the car, go run taxi or rent out the car because I help you want, so you want the money turn over. No, you don't do that. You want the car if you drive up and down a Maglina. Then now you come back now, say you're not no close. And the people then really and truly I look at you. Come on, people, man. You come like you not see what I want. We're not crazy. Oh. But let me tell you what the people is not help them want, you know. Them want to boast on each other. And say the one day better than the one day, and the one day have more than the one day. Who may have 3 cars, who may have 4 cars, and that they want boast about. And not help them want. Them no want no help. None of them what you say, and not help them want. Them a play fool for catch wise. That's what them a do. Then them say people this and people that. People this, people that. Then me hear them say, the other one, I don't know if I true or a lie, say him own 3 cars where him have a rent. So you own 3 cars where you have a rent, but yet still you come a beg. If I saw you go as what them say. Because I'm friend them I say it. And then you're like, so how the people them really need the help I go get the help? If them a shadow the people them really need the help, the people them not go get the help. So the other one them now I say, me I go beg every day to cause it, them a beg and them own this and them own that and still a beg. So wife me go beg too. That's it. So the hap become a begging hap. Because everybody a come for beg. Well, when you look into it, you say, okay. Beg and boast. It's all about beg and boast. Because up to now, all the people them where you see on TikTok, up to now you know see nobody come out and say, why this me achieve on TikTok and me help back 6 people or 7 people me give work. A TikTok give me this and me hire 6 people or 4 people or 5 people for work back with me. So this is my give back. Up to now you know see that. All who collect millions and millions and millions and millions. Only thing you see them show car. Who for car better than who for car.
So I hear what I say my people. Because enough of them I get the TikTok gift them, you know. See, and them I try to live a certain type of lifestyle where them can like you da say afford or whatever. So them always a come back to the people them for try get more. You see me? And when the people them kinda ease and you know what I mean, give them like one time, them talk all different type of things and then them come up with some things where them a say, yo, them need the people them for do this for them or whatever. So I saw them start come together and then them want to do this, them want to do that. But when them did I get the gift them never did I pre them the something there. But when the gift then top come in, you know, I don't know them sister them want rate. You see it. So enough of them take the people them things and go on like them want fool the people. You see me I say? Enough people see what them a do and not give them nothing more. You see me I say? So you listen what Dana saying on people, because Dana talk some things where a real thing Dana talk, you know. You see me? So we are going to hear some more what Dana say.
Who will live better than who will live? Who can sleep in a hotel every night? Can you believe that? Who can sleep in a hotel every night? And no one go look now if you live because the people them on TikTok a pay a hotel fee every night. Okay. I hear you people. The people them on TikTok a pay for hotel fee every single night. Because them a wait for people them to buy them a mansion up in the sky. So they no want to go look now where to live. They want to beg the hotel fee every day. And people still a give them them things. You know say I have a problem. You know say I have a problem. And them my problem, I have a problem, you know. Lord. God, me say me still have to look back. The woman say, the woman come ball and say that even Pampers she can't find for pitney them. The boy not give her nothing for pitney them. And a man take up 200,000 and give you and you ask what that can do. If you think say that can serve her from November to May. Good morning. So automatically when you give them one time, them becomes your kid. You're obligated to them. So because you're obligated now, once you give them one time, you have to give them. You must and bone have to give them. So now them come up with a style. You don't have no blood clot badge. Come out from a page, you don't even have a badge. So if you can't give enough of them on the page. But yet still, me no see una say, from you this one, you this all. Me no see una come up with that strategy there. Uno people in the comment section. It's the same like how them can come up with this strategy where them say if you don't have a badge, you know for the on them page. I saw enough to come up with this strategy from you this one, you this all. If you block him, might as well you block him all away. Uno fi come up with phone one strategy too. And them alone fi have strategy. Because true no make them feel like uno have to watch them and uno have to go up on them page. That's why them behave so. You have to have badge to come on my page. So the person have all right to listen whatever them hear on social media. So everybody where they on social media have money can send gift to give people. Everybody on social media work. Only the people them who can afford it will buy gift. Some people only can afford flowers. Because that's what they can afford. Some people are, you move for yourself with the blood clot flowers, that's all. Me say, no come over here and give flower blood. Come on, the way people they have what they can afford. Then just want to be seen like everybody else too. But as me tell you, you know, me see it happen already and me go see it again. Me see a person who used to do it. Me live to consider them a beg for flowers. Where only lion could have make them talk. And wheel and universe. Me can live to see them a beg flowers and hanat. I frighten you fuck. Me live to see them a beg flowers and hanat. And Uncle Lion, universe and wheel could have make them even call your name. And me live to see them a beg flowers and hanat. Thank you. That's how these people are. But you no serve one the sauce, but me wonder if you not serve the rest. If it's just a one somebody thing. Me soon no deal with one way or no deal with she. But want to rest. You will find a couple of them where it's not like that. You if you put them in a them place that you have the angle. Because if you no watch, them alone can watch themselves. All that me can live to see. The same person have 10,000 people that watch her. And she said them to fuck off and lock off her life with the 10,000 people that watch her. Thank you, aunt. And me live to see. She lock off her live. So she can't sit down and watch 170 people. 120 people. And she lock off it with 10,000. That you call karma. That's what you call karma. Yeah? That's what you call karma. Anne Marie, thank you. That's what you call karma. 10,000 I watch you and you tell them to off. And lock off your life and hit from the 10,000 people and walk away. And see you come a ball, say you can't sit down and watch 120.
When it come to Brit and all my people, you see Brit, me kinda see with Brit in a way. You see me? But to the other person them, you know what I mean? Them me can't see with them. But Brit, me kinda see with Brit, cause Brit Brit head not really good like that. You see me I say? So some of the things them where she do, me have to just say, you know what, Brit head not good. You see me? And that's why she do certain things where she do. And you know what I mean? She end up feel what she do. You see me I say? Because right now nobody now look upon her like that. You see me? But for the other rest of them, Derek are one of them too. You see me I say where the people them game so till. You see me? And it look like say him now do nothing with it. The people them say a man him take it gay. You see me? And him still a get. So him a one of them. And the lion man now, him and him, boy, I don't know if it's about him still. Boy, people, no tell me what you thinking in the comment. We could watch some more and hear what I say.
Because them say, he that exalted shall be abased. And when you know you must look into them something there because you're no idiot, you have sense. You can read and write well. You know right from wrong. I mean, know you must look at yourself and say, boy, one time I could have do everything I'm in wrong. But now everything me do me wrong. But me know you not looking at yourself. And she said the table a turn. And it a turned so fast. It a turned so fast. And you no entice the people them no more. Because guess what? You spitting at them face. Thank you. And you spitting at them face. With all of what they do for you say they never do nothing yet. Then take when you just come on social media, cup soup, me so you drink. No, you have no own kitchen. I want to say people they never do nothing for you. Some of you come on TikTok, a people clothes you come in. And know when the people them buy clothes and put on you put on and cost them. Cost them the most disgraceful way. Some of you used to live in a car and the people them put in a house and I know you cost them. Because that's just how you is. A true Jamaican. Ungrateful Jamaican. That's how you are. And people know that. So that's how you stay. But as me say, the clock a tick and it a turn and the table a turn. And everybody now have the same luck. But the viewers them need to do the same thing like what them a do. See same like how them play big and tough and heavy. Come off of this, as you say. Ah, laugh emoji. Me see them black on the final. Laugh emoji. Thank you. See. Ah, laugh emoji. Me see them black on the final. Can you believe that? Laugh emoji. Me see them black on the final. Cause them feel like them depend them pumps and prime. And me I look into it and I say, so me could have so desperate. Me could have so desperate for you, this me on your platform. For me just putting up a laugh emoji and me want to see you for what reason? What me want to see you for? I have the reason for see you. Hey, me I tell you, say, me see them deal with people on TikTok some way. Sometimes me have to, what? Hey, me see a girl make a pasta, swallow him spit about 5 times. Thank you. It come like the little boy. I never seen back on TikTok. I never see back that little boy on TikTok. Brittany right off the little boy off a TikTok, the little Christian boy. That look nice, look decent looking, look a Christian guy. He always carry himself nice and neat. I never seen back on TikTok. Him talks off. From Britney right him off of TikTok. I never see back that guy on TikTok. I mean, no one must warning him get from him. I say, no, you can't go over there, let them treat you like that. No, this is not good. If you hear how that little girl deal with that little boy that day, man, may I tell you, man, Father God. But as me say, karma is a bitch. It's a bitch. Karma is a bitch. Remember one day one man dip on the phone and the man, she and the man attack good and the man say, me know you know, me know where you come from. Man attack so nice. I think him was a teacher. Thank you, Zip. See, him was a teacher or something. And the little girl just start cussing and say, me's a blood clot, who the rat where you got them? I said, Jesus Christ. I think him was a teacher. Because we have to know, you know, all different type of people up on social media, liar, doctor, judge. You have to remember, say, Jamaican people fit in every space in our world. And when they see what happen, we have for them people, them are go tune in. You understand? So whether then the American, them a doctor, them a nurse, them a liar, them a judge, from them seat, them a go fit in, because them a say, see me people, them are over the up here. Me can go fit in over here, so and them can remind me back of some things at Jamaica and all of them, something there. And when them see we behavior, some of them run. When them see we behavior upon the app, some of them run and never come back. Some of them are search to a look for who for page them can sit down upon and really watch and even give the person and hold a little vibes.
And I like, you know, people, you see, enough of them TikToker, yeah, them come on TikTok, and when them just do them thing, you know what I mean, them good. You see me, I say, them deal with everybody good. But you see, when them start make them money, you know, and feel like them rich, hey, you see how them deal with the people, them. You see me? Enough of them, me see how them deal with the people them more while me I say, John, no start. I saw them a deal with the people them. Although some of the people them come on them live and them diss them and them go on some way. You see it? And them do what them want to do. But sometimes something when me see them go on with me, I say no, so this them not have to do this. You see me? So I could watch some.
Without be a dirty word that come out of them mouth. Because every day they see him for them. But as me say, them say who know better, do better. And when you not do like what them a do, or how them want program you to be, them say you are the biggest hypocrite. And them say you know people business. And where them for understand, if you not put something on the app, there's no way me can talk about it. This man, me see a comment where somebody say, oh, me know everybody business. Oh, me if you know everybody business. If somebody in my box tell me about something, or me know the people them business and somebody come and tell me, you don't know when to comment and what to comment. But through my platform, you go say, me. And the man come and ask me if me ear said this happen. So how you are going to text, say, me know everybody business. And I know me start the argument, because me never know about the argument. And the man come in at the box, he ask me in at the comment, and I say, come in at the box, come ask what you ask. Because me don't know nothing about it. So when he talk now, me I go put in my 2 cents now. But you go comment and say, me know everybody business. Me can't know everybody business. Me only know the people them business where put out, the liquor them put out on TikTok. That's all. Me can't dare say know what going to Jamaica unless you put up something about Jamaica. Right, so me only can talk off of what me say. Me only can talk off of what me see, you know. Me never know say them have problem. Me never know say money no give back. Me never know all of them something there. And the guy come and say it to me, so me go listen and say if that go on a idiot thing. You understand? Me still go want to hear the other side of the story too. To hear why she never give him the money or whatever. Because sometimes the first news where you hear and you saw it go, and the second news are the right news. You get it? So the thing when me say with uno people, when me notice, what day me go in a one box and me hear some people attack, and the people them attack and me listen them carefully, and the person where them take up for, them know say the person wrong, you know, but none of them not tell the person say them wrong. Them a tell the person say the man wrong. Them not tell the person say, listen, you did say this first about him, you know, but him just see it. You understand? Them not tell the girl that, you know. Them not tell the girl say, you first did say something about him couple weeks ago, but him just see it. That's why I'm just a answer now. Them a go tell the girl say, yes, him shouldn't come on your page a whole up argument because you not do him nothing this. Why you not say to the girl say, girl, you first did make a video about him, you know, and him never see the video, and now him just see the video, so I know him answer you back, and them know because the host and them a friend, meaning TikTok friend, them a go say she no do nothing and the man wrong. But if you go look back, you see say she trouble the man. When them say blood clotting come for you though, so you just see that the video there. You understand me I say? He could have make that pass and go, Lord God, my mama, if I even use the word like that to say, my mama man, he could have make that pass and go and look for when that pass, so he must stir up back that for. They must say I'm man wrong. You can't be like that. But then when you go over a man page, you go over a man page, go tell a man say, I girl wrong. Because you always a try to be both tip on the two side. Thank you. So uno carry news go over there so, uno carry back over here so, uno carry news over here so, uno carry back over here so. Uno fi stop. Uno fi stop man. Uno are the problem. Uno a big problem on the app. Uno just run and tell people say, Dan, Karen said this. Karen never called Dan name, you know. But you want Dan to go over there go cuss Karen. Dan blow that no, Dan gone over there go and cuss. Or start cuss Karen. When you look no go so.
Alright, so on the ear with the answer my people. We are gonna go over to Cargo and Pretty Danny now. You see me, but me know what to think about where Dan a say, cause Dan never, you know what I mean, talk about some things in the realest way still, you know. You see me? She always I see some things and talk about it. You know what I mean? So, let me know what to think, people. We are here about with Cargo and Pretty Dan I go on with. See?
Not him not rich.
But that the problem.
What?
You drop me thing, mama.
Oh, me a job the thing with him in a fraternize with blood clot white line. You see me a fraternize with him?
So why so obsessed over bumbo clot you? That my problem. If
Him not obsessed over me. Careful, you're careful. Him do not obsess over me. Get it right. Him obsessed over me and you breed each other. That him upset over.
What you mean me and you breed each other? Me can't breed no man, me breed
Well,
it.
him, you know what we mean breed each
The man
other.
say, listen, the man all the man woman and yard.
Him not no woman and yard, you too lie. You ever see sick white line with woman yet?
Somebody tell me say whatsoever I have, I fi slap him out of Dutchy the other day, cause the man I say all in prayer. I read the
Which
Bible.
prayer you see?
in our Father.
Kago, show me the prayer where the man did. There is
Amen.
no
I say,
prayer.
our
You walk
Father
and
who art
make
in
up
heaven,
things. You
hallowed
walk
be
and
thy.
make up things.
As somebody tell me, say, little more man losing life, the man I say all prayer, and your name end up in our Father
That's
box.
a lie. That's a lie. That's a lie. Because me and Slick White Line is brother, like root square, like crazy. Me don't understand that.
You have to cut him off. You and him too close. Cut him off.
When me
And
a cut off a man, me not joke for.
cut
Oh, you
him off. The
suppress.
friendship too thick.
So you suppressed about this and me not fuck him.
You think saying just want to be your friend?
Then the way him could have one blood clot deep. Short man is not my type, only you can have money.
You know what I say L.A. Louis set up upon me?
L.A. Louis can set no double pan. The only thing he can do is make blood clot. The DPP come down. That's it. Thank him anyway.
Listen what I tell you, say. The only way, you say me fit I trust you. The only way me I go trust you, you have to lock up Slick White Line for thief of each year.
Wait a minute, send him a jail?
Yes.
Jesus, then a my man sing now, sell out my friend, them and be a culture song. Me have to
Listen,
listen to it.
when it come to me pum pum, me
Right.
vicious against
Right.
anyone against it. You
So,
have to lock him up, they will bail him.
yeah. Yeah, okay.
And it will show me say, yo, you
Slick
know,
White Line, I lock up your blood clot today. You wait. You wait till you wake up. I got selfie.
how you know say how you know say you know wake up? How that
Jesus Christ, all that you come for me for to all the blood clot me for no. Me just assume say the man asleep right now. Jesus Christ.
how you know Bumbo class Slick White Line sleeping time? You animal sleep?
Then the people sleeping time this like what the
So how you
fuck?
not sleep? How you not where you there?
But then on my bed.
Wife did it?
Me know so I did the tour where you want breathe, you know.
Oh, we are gonna work out this I know. Cause wifey
Or my she care with daughter go to school. What?
So how we are gonna work out you know? Cause wifey have to get one of baby you know.
You know, yeah, she said yesterday. You hear her in that background and laugh. She not you she said she don't want your body. She said, oh, I have something to tell you, you know. Cargo, you see the baby? My wife said she's keeping the child. Sorry.
Keep her, she have to keep it one of me I get she.
No. She mean this baby in my belly. She said she don't need you as the father. She will be the father.
Listen, let me tell you something, mama. Yeah, back up one tree, whisper too tall for your wife. Listen. Your wife, if you get some, is an American citizen.
Let me tell you something. Oh, you gonna breed a lesbian and they tell you the lesbian says she's not the father. You lie.
Which father that?
She's the father.
You know you confuse me.
No, you are confused because you know say she's my baby father. What me I gonna tell my wife say?
She are your wife. So how she have become the father now?
Because you put it there and she's gonna nurture and love it.
Me not say she can't love you, but she gonna be one of my woman too. Me tell you,
And
say
that's how it work, and that's
listen,
how lesbians work.
me a carry two of go Africa, go marry to two of you know.
Me not gonna do this. Remember we married already and polygamy, I try to turn we, you know?
No, listen what me I say. Me are the man of the relationship.
So people, you know, here cargo one come to. But look at my people, not just what they are pretty than did I say, him and come left. So what go on now? What go on now? Tell me one thing, my people. But we know say a joke thing this with cargo and pretty than. You know what I mean? We know say a joke thing. So all who never know say a joke thing. You see me? Cause you know what I mean? Me don't think pretty than ever see cargo yet or cargo ever see pretty than. You know what I mean? So a joke thing. You see me I say, alright, so you want me to watch one little part more and then I eat that my people. You see it?
God.
And if me can't win the battle, me I go mash it.
Cargo, look here. My wife says she will take over things after the baby born.
Ask your wife if she ever go up 11 step yet. Ask your wife
Murder!
if she ever go up 11 step in America yet.
She never go up 11 steps. She was born here.
Well, tell your wife, say, let me tell you something. This a relationship, yeah? I know she a run it anymore.
How come me and no polygamist? Me I tell you the truth, sir.
I don't know polygamist. Two of you just me woman and me glad say you did have her before. So me no have to share around. I try if you make it two of you live nice. Two of you already live good already. And that a for your problem. Yeah, try if you set me up against wifey. And you not that because wifey nice.
Yeah, she is beautiful.
Wifey
For me
nice.
alone though, because me not have the art. Me don't have the art. Yesterday when I had up on the phone, yeah, in that background and she find this funny, you know. But not fun. She not gonna find it funny if you're gonna take away baby.
Eh? No,
She not.
listen what I say. Me just want to come in the thing and wifey know say it's a good
So
G.
at the
You
show we
understand?
you want joke
Yeah?
one time.
Yeah.
Boy, I don't know how me and the baby feel about that.
It baby I go love him too, mommy.
I wear the bows and skirt. No, sir. But might as well we just keep with it and you can go about your business.
No, mama. You take up a wrong man. You remember the woman when they go on road and buy dopey chucky little handsome dolly
Oh,
can go
remember
yard?
that bossy condom bossy, you know, so don't go on like so we plan this.
Mama, it don't really matter God bossy.
God did that boss, no condom. God don't even like condom. Are you bossy?
God walk down in your
Do
tight
you want
puddle.
my wife, your blood clad catch me?
Listen what me say. Your wife accept me already?
It no matter say she accept you. Remember say squeeze your piece.
Mama, we not talk about the maybe, we are talking about the outcome. The outcome is precious. And wifey, and you are the only problem in a relationship, you know. Because listen, you can't never believe say wifey loves somebody else.
Listen to me. Come say she want the baby for herself. She just want to have a baby. Out of me, she not care say you're the father, you can go about your ways.
No, that is the only problem I may have. The go about the ways part. Me want to put one in a cam too. Me know
No?
you want to see one come out of cam and cam want to see one come out of you for the same man. How beautiful and pleasant that can be.
Kaga, wait, sit down and write down them something here. You write down this.
Sit down
You
and
write
write
it
down
down.
what?
You jot it down. No, it will never happen. You will not fuck two lesbians like that and just the two of them just open up like an umbrella. And I
Mama,
said, God,
none of you are no lesbian, you know, just misled. You understand? At that, it less than fine or misled.
whoa, what you mean we misled?
I mean, I'm going to lead you back to the promised land. Listen, I mean, you save already, you know. You already save, you know. So listen what I am saying. Me have to bring up Cam too.
Come all right.
Hmm?
So you have to forget to what we?
No, make love, baby.
I love you call it now.
Yeah, man.
Then the two backers give me this belly. So I love that.
I want to make love to Cam.
So I give me two backers and come.
Yeah, me I make love to Cam, but me I grind you.
No, I'm rather the juice out of your wood and me spray it up in a cam. Sorry.
Alright, so my people, alright here, so may I end it. Let me know what you think in the comment section.